Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss one of the most confusing CSS properties, because when I was learning these three properties, then I was also confused, like, okay, to use top left for putting the element from one place to another place, but why we use transform translate with -50 comma -50? Yeah, I didn't put -50 -50. I will show with the help of example. So let's move to see the example how we can use these three properties. So we will create the HTML file I have already created. So, and we will create one more file which is CSS file, and I have written the boilerplate of CSS. This is the boilerplate which I have told, which I have explained in the previous video. This is the boilerplate of HTML, and I have already connected the CSS file to the HTML file. You can see, yeah, right? So inside body we will take something which is main div. Inside main div we will take element, something I'm going to name it like box. Okay, now move to the CSS. Okay, so this is box. I want to put the width and height width 20%, height 20%, background color orange. Okay, I'm going to put it 30%, not 30, 40, here 40 also. Now we can see the element on the web page, web browser. Let's see. Here you can see the web browser where we have taken the box T. Now I want to put that box, yellow orange box, into the center. So as I have told already that if you want to put the box into the center, then you will have to use the code, center code, something like top left, right? So left 50% transform. Okay, when we use only top left 50%, 50%, then as I told you, when we are using top left value, top left body, then we need to use position of absolute. Without this we can't move the element from one place to another place. And I told already, like, if you are making the position absolute to any children, then you need to make position related to their parents. So main is the parent of the box tip, so not inherit, sorry, related. Now you will see the element something like this. The element is not into the center. You know why? Because when we take the top from top 50%, that means this is the, you can see the height of this element on this screen is by default 100%. When we are saying I need to put this element from top 50%, that means it will left the top 50%, 50%, it will left 50%, then you will see the element just below the 50%, after 50%, right? And similarly if you're talking about width, when we put left 50%, that means element will first leave the space 50%, something like that, you can see, and then the element is starting from the 50%, right? So that's the reason we are not getting the element into the center. And when we use something like transform translate, let's transform translate -50% comma -50%, that means this is the value of x, this is the value of y. I want -50% of the element should be back means let's see, back means we want this -50% less from this top 50%. Now you can see the element is in the center. You know why? Because let me do the y-axis 0 so that the thing can be very clear. See, when I say transform translate -50% comma 0, that means I want a -50% back into the x-axis. What -50%? Not the width of screen, not the, this is not the width of a screen. This 50% -50% is not the width of this screen. This -50% is the width of this element I want. So I told to the our browser, like, I want this element -50% back of this element. So that's why we are getting this element from, let me do it, 0, from here to here. And that's why we are getting the element into the center when we are putting -50% -50%. Now you can see the element is into the center. So this was all about in this video. In the coming video we will learn some more exciting thing. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.